What's up, traders? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Tuesday, February 17th of 2026, and let's get right into it. Yesterday, even though it was a bank holiday, price action was beautiful, and I still somehow got breaked even on a trade, so I didn't get to post anything. Today we did get to trade though, and I'm not really entirely proud of this trade. Even though I won, it just didn't feel right. After I took the trade, I took some time to look back at everything and see exactly where I went wrong. That is pretty much the summary. We're gonna go ahead and pull up the charts and show you guys exactly what my thought process was. Alright, so coming into the morning, the first step that I like to take is looking at news and seeing if we have anything major that might affect our trading. The only thing we had today was a 7:30 a.m. orange folder. This caused a lot of stocks to spike up and down around that time. This is 7:30 my time, so it would be about 8:30 New York time. Once we saw that there was nothing that could affect our trading today, I decided to come into the charts and start marking things out. Like I always do, coming into the 4-hour, I like to mark out my zones. This is the one zone I had marked out, and just about all of the morning we were in this range. Even now, I felt pretty bullish because we showed a good amount of respect. Even right now, I still think we'll get up at least halfway to over here. I do think we'll touch this supply zone up here, but it might just take all day because obviously this is a 4-hour chart. So coming into the 15-minute, the first thing that I see is that a few days ago, this zone had already gotten tapped right over here. So I was pretty confident that we were going to be bullish for the day. Unfortunately, market had a little bit of other plans, and even though they did work out for just a little bit, it just wasn't the right time. Normally when market opens, I like to wait just a good amount of time before I take a trade, and that's mainly the reason why I'm not really proud of this trade, because market opened, the first candle respected it, and I immediately took it. But even though it worked out and it was a win and my bias was right in a way, you know, we could have definitely been a little more patient with things. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that video, and then I'll show you guys exactly what happened right after and why, even though I'm not proud of the trade I took, I'm proud of the way I handled it. So y'all see how tightly I had to manage that trade, and if y'all didn't notice, I went in with a singular micro and volatility was just insane. So that also kind of made me a little bit sketched out about this trade. With the way that I trade, I don't like losing big, so I had to just be really careful about the whole thing, which was a very smart decision. Obviously, I'll show you guys exactly what happened right after I got out of that trade and why I'm so grateful that my trade ended up working out in the first place. This is exactly how I would be trading my expresses, and I don't want to mess up my discipline. I'm going to lock myself out right now in front of you guys so you guys can see that I'm serious about having my wins and how serious I am about having all my accounts. With that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. As always, it's just a trade recap. They're going to be pretty short unless I start dropping actual videos. Leave a comment down below what you guys would like to see. Then again, I am not a financial advisor. This is just me sharing my life with you guys, my process to becoming a full-time profitable trader. Please make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on those notifications so you guys can keep up with that process. So like always, I'm gonna end off the video with the verse of the day. So today we have Proverbs 16:3. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and he will establish your plans. I personally think it's very important that you guys stay close to God in your trading process. To me, that has made a huge difference. It's just really important to me, and I want to pass that same knowledge that I have gotten in my past 2 years of trading along to you guys. That is the end of this video, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.